uncovering the real eco-footprint in complex manufacturing. Let's look at glass bottles. Bottles start their life in the mining industry with more than a dozen raw materials like quartz powder, limestone, and others, usually transported from multiple locations via different types of logistics systems. At the glass manufacturing plant, materials are processed at 1500 degrees Celsius to produce a glass bottle. Then the bottles are transported to a beverage plant for filling, and they travel different distances to supermarkets or cafes, where they're used and hopefully the empty bottle is collected. Some of these bottles go back to washing and refilling, and some to recycling, back to melting and reprocessing. Sometimes producers use renewable electricity and invest into other sustainable technologies. Today's life cycle analysis is limited. It's usually only accessible to experts, and it only gives us a kind of frozen picture, a footprint calculation based on data collected at one moment in time. With deep expertise in manufacturing and processing, the designers of ReCarbonX have built a blockchain-based system capable of real-time, automated data capture, every transaction at every step in complex chains, to build and demonstrate an accurate, condensed, and trustworthy picture of any product's real eco-footprint. You can scan the QR code to learn more. ReCarbonX Systems, value made visible.